Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to change unit of measurement from meters to millimeters. Before we start, remember that the change will apply to everything in Blender, so be aware of that. Okay, so let's start with method that I normally use. First we need to do is go to the right upper corner and click on icon with an arrow. And like you see, we have here unit of measurement set to meters. If you would like to change it to millimeters, you need to go to scene properties, because here you will see here a lot of really helpful settings. One of them are units. We need to open this one option, and here we have length unit set to meters. So we need to click here and change this unit to millimeters. After that, you will see that the changes have been applied and the unit has been successfully changed to millimeters. Of course, remember that you can always modify unit scale if you need it. Everything depends on your preferences. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thanks you for watching.